is a good student and who is a bad teacher? We'll make the agreement clear right now only. First thing a student you should do is to find a good teacher. Yes, no, sir? Yes. First thing. Like you have to find a good husband, good wife, same thing. I'm receiving WhatsApp messages, interesting messages I'm receiving. One guru here only, he's saying I've developed a technology where I can take lions and cows, talk in Tamil and Sanskrit. And everybody, are clapping. They're clapping. I've developed a technology where he says E is to MC is squared, Albert Einstein is wrong. Sir, if you get this, your whole life gone like Atipatang. One wrong you pick up in life is gone. So your task, because I'm telling you, is your responsibility. You have to find a good teacher. One thing. Right? I'm talking students' responsibility now. Then I'll come teacher's responsibility. Now, right, to find one thing. Next is what? Once you find a good teacher, what do? Take his photograph, put in the puja room, and pull Jai Bolo, Bolo. That's what happens, no? Karma. You have to learn from the teacher. See, basics is forgotten. Even educated people, basics is forgotten. It does not matter. You may be very literate in your field, but spiritual field can be stupid. So you have to learn from the teacher, not simply worshipping the teacher. You have to learn. Then what is the next step? What is the next step? Please see. After learn from the teacher, now, please see this. Quickly, learn from the learning of the teacher. Now you learn from me now. I can assure you learn from me. Afterwards, what you do? What I have taught you, what you have learned, you have to do alap. You have to learn from that learning. You have to learn. Rag I'll teach you. Then you have to do alap on the rag. Now that is your responsibility. You have to learn from the learning. In school and colleges, one level is taught. Afterwards, you have to learn from the learning. Just because you have done MD medical sciences doesn't mean MD or doctor. No. Ask any MD doctor. It is by practice. That's why doctors' work is called as what? Say loudly. Practice. They always call it practice. It's an ongoing. So you have to learn from the learning. Then what? What should you do? Come on, quickly. Then what is the next thing you should do? Come on. I want you to give some passion, please. I know most of you are South Indians. I want some passion. Come on. You have to master it before you apply it. You have to master it. Please understand. You have to master it. You have to learn from the learning, then you should master. No, this is also for parents also now. Please understand, to children, you can apply it anywhere. You have to master it. Then what should you do? Then you have to apply it in your daily life. I'm using a lot of martial art thing because I'm a student of martial art, and also life is like a fight only. And Bhagavad Gita is taught in a conflict of fight only, war. So I'm going to give keynotes in that. Not that I want you to go and fight with your husband and boss and wife. Alright, you have to please master it, then use during real life. Yes, no, sir? Yes. Come on, give me some life. Yes. Now come on. Now next one. Please say. Who is a bad teacher? Can be a bad parent, bad guru, anything, bad boss. Please connect it. Who is a bad teacher? Who complains on the student. Complains. Alright. Who is an average teacher? Who does his work as his duty? Now I can do this 2 days you have come, it's my word, duty, and I do. You do it like a duty. As a boss, you can do like a duty. As a parent, you can do like a duty. It's like a duty. But who is a good teacher? Who gives you right, wise information. Am I right? Yes, no? But who is the best teacher, sir? Who is the best teacher? Good teacher. Who is the best teacher? Who inspires the students. Yes? Tell me yes, no. So my task is not to give not only good information to you, but I'm going to inspire you. Yes, no? So I may use a carrot, I may use a stick. Both I may use. Apply it as a teacher, as a wife, as a boss. Now as a student, you have to find a good teacher. You have to learn from the teacher. You have to master the teaching. Then you have to Come on. Apply it. So I cannot come to your bedroom and say how to apply it. I cannot come to your office room and tell you how to apply it. I will inspire you here. So can you see, I have to work on myself, you have to work on yourself. Yes, no, sir? Yes, no? Right, both have to work on yourself.